Tell us how close they were one way or the other. Was it 11-1 one way, another ways, half, 50-50? Can you talk about that?
It was overwhelmingly in favor of acquittal, and there were holdouts on the other side.
How many holdouts?
I don't know for sure.
How long were you talking to the jury after the mistrial was declared?
I don't know, from the time of the mistrial until I came down here, I don't know how long that was.
During close, you had mentioned that you didn't have to put on a defense, but you did because of the importance of the case. Moving forward, should this be retried again, are there different approaches that you may take? I know you can't get too much into strategy, but were there things that you left out this time that maybe you think next time would be appropriate to bring in?
It's kind of speculative. I don't know. It would depend on what the trial looks like going forward. I mean, if we're arguing about whether or not he was negligent in chasing him, then I'm going to have to address that again. I just don't think that that should have been ever put before the jury, and because it came down to whether or not GRPD's policy or no policy on foot pursuits had some sort of bearing on whether or not he can use deadly force to protect himself. And I mean, I think over half the trial was about irrelevant evidence. You had experts on both sides talking about how close you can stand to somebody when they deploy their taser. I don't know how that relates to a minute and a half later when Mr. Lillia has exclusive control of the taser and is turning. It shouldn't matter. I was flummoxed by the fact that an expert could get on the stand and say, because you're too close, Mr. Lillia grabbed the taser. That was a decision that was made by the individuals that were in that situation, and not because of some GRPD policy.